Welcome to Raj Tools and Hardwares, supplier of industrial tools and fasteners. The company was incepted in 2005 at Coimbatore. We are an authorized distributor of SKF, TU's EFK Allen bolts, and others. Pricol Industries Limited and PepsiCo India Holdings Private Limited are some of our prestigious clients, and we are supported by timely delivery schedules and immense industry experience. We offer a wide variety of Caparo, unbreak-off, and tool fasteners. Our Bipico blades and mild steel eye bolts are in huge demand across the global markets. We also provide mechanic oil seals, Panama, and Prima guns that are well known for their durability. Our Acvalo gauges, Honda greaves, and vibrators are well known for their impeccable performance. Along with that, we offer true cut cutting tools, hex nuts, and washers that are available at industry-leading prices. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing true mix machine tools, pipes, and valves that are highly efficient. To get the best deal, log on at www.rajtools.in.